Beneath the shimmering surface of the Gulf of Mexico lies a silent menace, a vast expanse where marine life struggles to survive. This is the Gulf's dead zone, a growing hypoxic area that threatens ecosystems and economies alike. Each summer, nutrient-rich runoff from the Mississippi River fuels massive algal blooms. As these algae die and decompose, they deplete oxygen levels, creating zones where few organisms can endure. Spanning 32 states, the Mississippi River Basin collects runoff laden with nitrogen and phosphorus from agriculture and urban areas. This influx feeds the Gulf's dead zone, expanding its reach year after year. The dead zone's impact ripples through local economies. Fishermen venture farther offshore, incurring higher costs, while some marine species face population declines, disrupting the balance of the ecosystem. Researchers monitor the dead zone's size annually. In 2024, it measured approximately 6,705 square miles, larger than the state of Connecticut, marking it as the 12th largest recorded in 38 years. Efforts to mitigate the dead zone focus on reducing nutrient runoff through sustainable agriculture and restoring wetlands that naturally filter pollutants. Yet, challenges persist, and progress is gradual. The Gulf's dead zone serves as a stark reminder of human impact on marine environments. Addressing it requires collective action, innovative solutions, and a commitment to preserving the ocean's vitality. At Nautical Bites, we bring you true stories from the sea, inspiring wonder, respecting the past, and protecting what still lies beneath. Subscribe for more bite-sized dives into the deep, because the ocean never stops telling its story.